Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best methods to budget business expenses in Lendio. Now, the best method to budget business expenses in Lendio is to base decisions on real spending behaviors rather than assumptions. Instead of guessing what you should be spending, Lendio allows you to see exactly where your money is going and how often. This clarity makes it easier to distinguish between essential expenses and costs that quietly drain cash flow. By observing patterns over time, budgeting becomes more realistic and flexible. Fixed expenses are easier to plan around, while variable costs can be adjusted as revenue rises or falls. This approach prevents overcommitting during strong months and struggling during slower ones. Budgeting in Lendio works best as an ongoing habit, not a one-time setup. When expenses are reviewed regularly, businesses stay in control and avoid unnecessary surprise. And of course, you can make spending decisions that actually support long-term stability and growth. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.